This mini colored cardstock has been perfect for some arts and crafts in my classroom. These are the 5x7 sheets. It comes in a stack of 100. I think there's about 50 colors, so it ends up being about 2 per color. They're perfect for the crafts that I'm doing. Let me show you what we worked on. We worked on some Q-tip art and it turned out so good. So students got a little piece of paper. Well, they ended up doing 2 papers actually, and then they were able to use a Q-tip and some paint to kind of design their own thing. This size was perfect because for something as like intricate as Q-tips and small, it would have taken so long for them to do a whole piece of paper. So the 5x7 was perfect. I also like that it's cardstock because it didn't bleed through. It like was obviously thicker than like a regular piece of paper, so it ended up working so well. And then now I have extras for different crafts and cards that we're going to do throughout the year. These would also be great for just like invitations, greeting cards, thank you cards. Honestly, there's so many different options you can use for them. So I love that it comes in a pack of 100.